Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Creating the right flavor of the dish without any question is the most important part of home cooking. As the saying goes, you love flavor first before you love food. In this video, I would like to introduce to you the masala dabba. Most commonly, it is a metal box, and inside the box there are 7 different containers to hold your most frequently used seasoning agents. Before I came across the masala dabba, I hardly used any herbs and spices to season my food. I mainly use sauces or pre-made spices. I'm very reluctant to use individual seasoning agents because I do not understand them. I do not know what I should use, as well as how much should I use. Also, I do not know how to combine them together in creating complex flavors. The masala dabba changed all of this. It opens up a new world to me. The most common version of a masala dabba is a round stainless steel box. Most of them have a clear glass opening. Inside, there are 7 smaller containers. Many of them comes with a small spoon. You can put 7 different herbs and spices inside this masala dabba. The beauty of the masala dabba is that when you open up the container, you will have all these 7 herbs and spices available to you all at once. So instead of keeping different seasoning agents in a separate bottle, you can keep them all in one box. Because of their easy accessibility, this provides an excellent opportunity for experimentation. By selecting different types of seasoning agents, as well as by changing their ratios, you can continue to improve the flavor of your dish. And this provides the foundation of flavor chasing in my fast cooking system. In my masala dabba, I have selected 7 seasoning agents that I use most frequently. These 7 seasoning agents form the foundation of the flavor that I love and enjoy. If you are new in using a masala dabba and you are also looking for what to put into your masala dabba, this may be a good starting point for you to take a look at. The 7 seasoning agents that I select for my masala dabba are: first, granulated garlic powder; second, onion flakes; and third, mushroom seasoning; and fourth, lemon pepper; fifth, ginger powder; sixth, cumin; seven, paprika. Selecting the garlic powder is a no-brainer because garlic brings subtle and flavorful taste to the food. To me, the garlic flavor is universal. It works in almost any dishes. I choose granulated garlic rather than regular garlic powder. In my experience, granulated garlic absorbs less moisture. The second seasoning agent that I select is onion flakes. Again, onion provide a universal flavor for any dishes. I select onion flakes over onion powder because I like the texture of the flakes. They make the dishes more interesting, but this is just my personal preference. The first seasoning agent in my masala dabba is mushroom seasoning. Mushroom seasoning extract come from mushrooms. They have gained increased popularity as a substitute for MSG. It offers great umami flavor to any dish. The mushroom seasoning that I use have added salt. Therefore, they are a great substitute for salt in any dishes. The mushroom seasoning is readily available online, or you can buy them at Asian supermarket, which will be a little bit less expensive. The fourth seasoning agent in my masala dabba is lemon pepper. I use it as a substitute for pepper. I also like the lemon flavor that comes with it. Lemon pepper contains salt, so that it also could be used as a salt substitute. The fifth seasoning agent in my masala dabba is ginger powder. I use ginger powder as a substitute for fresh ginger. It works very well in certain type of dishes to create more complex flavor. The 6 seasoning agents in my masala dabba is cumin. I included cumin in my masala dabba because cumin provide, again, complex flavor to any dishes. I particularly enjoy using cumin in dishes contain meat or seafood. And the final seasoning agents in my masala dabba is paprika. Addition of paprika make food hot and spicy. Nevertheless, by using a small amount, it will increase the complexity of the flavor. And once I open the masala dabba, all the 7 different seasoning agents are available to me instantaneously. This offers me infinite possibilities in how to season my dish. Over the past several years, I have tried out many different combinations. In the following, I will provide you with some suggestions of the combinations that I have developed. For example, this combination, I call it the basic seasoning mix. I will use it in almost any dishes. Particularly, I am in a hurry. And this seasoning mix is designed to enhance the natural flavor of the ingredients. Here is a seasoning mix that I use specifically for cooking eggs. I will use in any type of egg dishes. For chicken, I have designed another seasoning mix that I think it works very well to enhance the flavor of the chicken. Since both my wife and I love shrimp, I definitely need to have a seasoning mix for shrimp. These are some of the possibilities that you could try out. And I make constant adjustment depending on the food ingredients that I was cooking. Again, I want you to remember this seasoning mix serves as a template for you to modify. And the beauty of the masala dabba is that you can always make changes right on the spot. Each time when you experiment with different combinations and different ratios, you come to know the seasoning agents better. The individual seasoning mix in the masala dabba is just like the paint on a paint palette. Through trials and error, you will develop a better understanding of all the seasoning agents, so you will know exactly how it will work best. I am post a video daily to help people to develop a better understanding of my fast cooking system. If you would like to learn more, as well as to adopt my fast cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.